Talk about hitting a big patch of turbulence. Spirit Airlines in talks with its bondholders over the terms of a potential bankruptcy filing. Yes, Spirit Airlines, known for its cheap flight prices and charging you for everything else you bring on board, including any bag or any water bottle, is looking to file for bankruptcy protection in the wake of its failed merger with JetBlue Airways. Even more shocking, the news of this potential bankruptcy comes months after CEO Ted Christie said the airline was not considering a Chapter 11 bankruptcy and was encouraged by the plan it had in place after the deal with JetBlue fell through. First reported by the Wall Street Journal, the report also says that besides just filing for bankruptcy protection, the airline has also been exploring restructuring its balance sheet through an out-of-court transaction. The recent talks have been more focused on reaching a deal with bondholders and other creditors to support a Chapter 11 filing. Again, this all reported by the Wall Street Journal, citing people familiar with the matter. But keep in mind, the timing of such a filing, should it happen, would not be imminent. This again, according to that report. And Spirit shares, shares of Spirit falling below $2 today and down 86% so far this year. Now, in response to the Wall Street Journal report, Spirit pointed to the company's second quarter earnings call, where its CEO, Ted Christie, said the company was in talks with the advisors of its bondholders to address the upcoming debt maturities due in 2025 and 2026. And keep in mind, JetBlue and Spirit scrapped their $3.8 billion merger agreement back in March after a U.S. judge blocked the deal in January on anti-competition concerns. Now, if the deal would have gone through, it would have created the fifth largest carrier in the United States and given Spirit a chance to survive at a time when it continues to burn through cash while being saddled with a lot of debt. But that all did not happen, and Spirit has warned of a steeper loss in the third quarter, and Spirit has also failed to report a profit in the last 5 out of 6 quarters, raising doubts about its ability to even address the even service debt. So yes, we are seeing quite a bit of turbulence for Spirit Airlines. Some internal board fighting that may rival some of those viral in-flight Spirit flight fights posted all over the internet and social media. Some scrappy fights on there if you have ever seen those. Now, here's the real question though. What's next for Spirit? Do they file for bankruptcy protection? Do they recover? Do they like those viral videos? Do they fight back? Or do they get bought out? Or do they just call it quits? What do you all think will happen? In truth, I've only taken a Spirit's airline flight one time. It was a last-minute emergency flight, and I was there and back within 36 hours, slept the whole time, so I can't really tell you if it was good or bad, but there's so much negative, so much hate for the Spirit airline experience online. I have to wonder, is this the nail in the coffin for Spirit? Not just financially, just by all the reviews. What do you guys all think? Comment below, and yeah, let's have ourselves a little bit of a talk about it.